Okay, here's going to be a Porsche Macan video on how to install a 7-way electrical connector to your factory harness. So when you order your Macan or your Cayenne, it'll come, it's like $600 to get this trailer hitch option, and it's about the same amount to buy the hitch, aftermarket somewhere else. But then it's a lot bigger job to install it. So it's cheaper and easier if you can to just order the hitch on your vehicle from the dealership. I bought my little Macan at Porsche Birmingham, and they actually equip all of their, for that reason, because it's a whole lot cheaper and better to just come with the hitch. They install hitches on all their Macans. But when you get the hitch, you're going to have this electrical connector over here. Now, try to do this. It looks like this when you first get it. You look up under here and you try to use your trailer for the first time, and you'll realize, hey, I don't have no plug-in. I thought I got the hitch. Well, the hitch option doesn't come with the connector installed, typically. So you'll have this block-off plate that'll be installed there with 4 of these, let's see, T25 little screws. So you take out the screws, and then from your plate, and then you need to rotate it pretty much upside down. And you see that notch on the top there by my thumb? You got to come through there, and you see what I mean here. And that's how you can get down and out through there. And so the electrical wires are plugged into a connector back there. And this part here, like I say, is just well, that actually there my finger's on is the plug. And then this is the block-off plate. There's no electrical part to it. So this white thing, you got to slide that backwards, up like that. And then you can push on that little black tab there with the end of your finger or your thumb. Try to do this while I'm one-handed. Okay, see that? So you can see how that is, right? See that? That's so you're trying to get up over that connector. And so you're squeezing in on the black tab after you've pulled the white little protector thing back out of the way. And so this block-off connector you see in there, it's just a blank. So this is the actual connector you can get. And if you go to Porsche dealership, this is what you'll buy. I bought this on Amazon for $13, $14. But Porsche doesn't make their own connectors, so they buy this particular brand, this Pollak. This one is, there's your part number, 11-893P socket assembly. This is the factory one, even though I didn't buy that at Porsche. It is the same one they use, and it's your 7-way connector. Let me see if I can. I'll try to. You probably know what a 7-way looks like, but that's what a 7-way looks like. And inside there, it's just got little pins, contacts, right? And so you line up your connector part there to right here, and then just simply plug it in. Just simply plug it in like that, and you're gonna have to push hard to get it to seat. I'm gonna need 2 hands to do that, I think. But that's all it is. And then you put this connector back in the hole like it's supposed to be, put your 4 screws on, and you're done. So if you're curious what that process was, I hope this video has helped you.